Hello friends, and welcome to the second part on functional interface. In this video, we will see and answer questions like what is a functional interface. In the previous video, we saw what is an interface. So let's quickly jump into and see what is a functional interface. Let's answer this question. Are functional interfaces something new in Java 8? The answer really is no. And I'll explain why. So what is a functional interface? And let's give a definition to it. A functional interface in Java is an interface that has one and only one single abstract method. I'll just repeat. A functional interface in Java is an interface which has one and only one single abstract method. Let's few examples to these functional interfaces already existing are runnable, which has a single abstract method called run, callable, which has a single abstract method called call, and comparator, which has a single abstract method called compare. Let's quickly see the implementations or the definitions of these interfaces. Let's see first the runnable. Interface runnable has one and only one abstract method, which is run. Callable has an abstract method called call, and comparator has an abstract method, one and only one abstract method called compare. So any interface that only has one abstract method is called a functional interface in Java 8. A bonus tip: what is a runnable and a callable, and what is the difference? Both runnable and callable are closely associated to a thread, where thread is the worker and runnable and callable are the task that the worker has to do. The difference between runnable and callable is that runnable's run method doesn't return any value, whereas callable's call method returns the status of the task that is being currently run. Thank you friends for joining me in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.